Hi, Gina here, and today I'm going to show you how to prep a broadcast in AWeber. And I am promoting a JV partner right now, and so I am going to go ahead and copy one of my previous broadcasts to draft, and I'm just going to go to Messages, and here it's in draft, and I'm going to go to Edit. And I usually like to say something personal and then I like to put swipe copy. And so I'm just going to now take the swipe copy. So I'm going to promote the webinar. So swipe copy for the webinar. I'm just going to click here. And I'm going to look through this and see if this is a mailing I've done before or if I need to use different copy. I think I haven't used this one yet, so I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to put it into Notepad. And so that's going to take away any unnecessary formatting. And here I'm just going to highlight all the stuff that I don't want here and just paste this directly in here. And now I need to make this prettier. And so I usually add spaces. When I don't copy directly from like Word or Google Docs, then it doesn't have my spaces. So okay, so, and it looks like maybe this font is too small, so I'm gonna have to update that. And so the next thing that I'm gonna do is grab my affiliate link, and this is my affiliate link. And this is really easy to promote because I don't have to go in and do anything to this link. So I'm just going to take out the placeholder. I'm going to make this bold. And I'm going to add the link right here. Green check means it's good. And I'm going to delete this. Make it bold. Add the link. And the last one right here. Make it bold and add the link. And I always test the links just to make sure that they work and make sure I didn't forget anything. And then it looks like that there's a little bit of formatting here that didn't come over. So the secret, and let me find it. So the secret all the way to the difference between WordPress.com. This needs to be bullets. And I'm just going to clean this up a little bit because that doesn't look as good as I want it to. So from here, what I like to do is highlight all of it and then just make sure that my font is consistent. So I like Arial 14. 12 I think is a little bit small. Okay, so that looks good. And then from here, I'm going to replace pictures. So this is the previous picture, and I'm going to replace that. And this is the previous picture, and I need to replace that. So I'm going to go now to the graphics. And I need the graphic for the webinar. So let me see. I'm just going to scroll down and I'm going to find one that appeals to me. So I kind of like this purple one. And the orange one is nice too. So I'm going to go with the orange one. And so I'm going to right click and save image as, and I'm going to put this in my folders. And then I'm going to go to upload an image, and I'm going to add that image. So we're just going to go to open. And this is important. You'll want to make sure that the affiliate link is correct. So I always link to the picture as well, just in case people like to click on that instead. So that looks good. Let's go to save. And I'm going to personalize this and add a baby photo in a bit. The one thing I forgot to do was change the headline. So I still need to do that. Let's go back to the swipe copy. And I'm using email 2. So free training, I like this one. And I'm going to put this into Notepad. And let's go to here. And I usually like to put a baby pic too, so I'm going to add that later. So that looks good. So let's go to save. And then I like to go to preview and test. And so I'm going to personalize this in a little bit later. So I'm just going to send a test message, make sure that those links work. So it says it's on its way. Let's go to save and exit. And then when you're ready to schedule it, you can go to schedule a broadcast. And that's all there is to it. Have a great day.